Welcome back everybody. So guys, we just didn't talk about the images yet. So let's just get talk about it. I'm just going inside the body, and right after the body I'm just going to make an IMG tag, and there is the SRC. What is the SRC? One thing here should be clear that the image the IMG tag is for only putting the images, and it's also an empty tag, means it doesn't have the inning tag, by the way. So the SRC, the source tag, the source attribute, it's because here we can put the source, and it's again the fixed attribute. So I'm just gonna put this source, and it just can come in from inside the folder img. There is the img slash img dot jpg, and save it. Okay, so there was a picture I had. It's my kitten's picture. My cat gave birth and I got this picture. I'm just refreshing that. Okay, and the picture is too big. Okay, no problem. I'm just making it a little small. Okay, so we got the picture, and picture is not bad, but it's in the another direction. By the way, no problem, that's not a problem for us. I'm just gonna put the width here, the DTH, and the width I'm just putting only as 500 pixels, and save it. Now go to the browser back and refresh it. So now now it should be resetted. So now you can see that this is the actual image, and this is how you can put the image. I think this is much easy. Again, to accessing the file path, accessing to the image path, you again have to follow the same we just talked about in links. Like if your image is a little back, so you have to use this trick, or for the subdirectories you have to put the name, then another name, whatever. In this way you just can access to the image, the right image. And you have the image extension, it's a JPG. If the image is PNG, you have to put the PNG. If it's the image is a GIF, you have to put the GIF. And there is a width. You also can just define the height too. Both things can be defined, the width and the height. Give this space and put the height. In this way you can define the height too. If I just put the 500 to the height, so it will be the height. From now, refresh that. Now you can see that the height is also defined. But if we just define both of the thing, now the ratio will be destroyed. You can see that the image is now not looking in the way it should look. So go back and refresh that, and it's now looking good, not bad. So it's a preferred thing to put only width or only height to make a proper ratio according to the given value. So this is all about the images. I just wanted to teach you. I think you just learned about it. A few things. Sorry. The title, there is an attribute named title. You can put in the image, and the title attribute can also be given to the links to simple text. I'm just gonna guide you about it. I just got an idea while just guiding about the image, so why not we talk about the title attribute in a little more deep. And another one is alt. I'm gonna guide you both of them. So here first I'm just talking about the title. I'm just putting something like this is the image of my kitten. Okay, so actually this is a baby of my cat, and yeah, I have a lot of cats, by the way. That's my hobby. So just hover the mouse, and there you can see that this is the image of my kitten. His name is Bablu. So save it. Whatever name we got in my mind, we just assigned to this project. Okay, so this is the image, whatever. You can see that the title, this is how the title attribute works. You can see that this is the image of my kitten, and his name is Bablu. So you can see that. And also, what is the alter tag? Just simply copy the whole text and paste it here and save it. Now go to the browser and refresh that. Okay, so where is the alt attribute? There is no value for the alt attribute, but it will only work, the alt attribute will only work when the browser failed to find the image. For example, I just put the img1.jpg and there is no img1, so refresh that. Now this is the image. I'm just making some changes. alt attribute. Okay, save it. I'm going to the browser back and refreshing the page. So now you can see that it's not the title. The title is still there. This is the image of my kitten, but here this is the image of my kitten. His name is Bablu. Alt attribute means alter attribute means if there is no image, at least the alter attribute can guide us what happened here. So also to guiding the Google, to guiding the this makes the images SEO. Okay, this is how you can just put the SEO in the image to guide the browser, to guide the search engines, to the people, that what the image is about, all about. Okay, however, you have the image or you doesn't have, the browser finds the image or no, but the alt tag is recommended for the good SEO. So I think you just got it. So in the next lecture we'll be talking about some more things. Stay tuned and goodbye.